Supreme Court. We have also isolated issues for determination.
It was another Friday for the Supreme Court to deliver its judgment on 7 election petitions, and as fate would have it, only Wajir West lawmaker Mohamed Kolosho was unlucky, as his election was nullified by judges, citing irregularities.
Now, considering the margin of votes between the appellant and the first respondent in the remaining 74 polling stations, the Kara vote had the potential to shift victory to either side. The irregularities at the Kara polling station, therefore, had affected the entire electoral process. It is our finding in the circumstances that the election for the seat of Member of Parliament for Wajir West constituency was not conducted substantially in accordance with the terms of the Constitution.
I am ready to go back to the people. I disagree with the findings because I don't know, for whatever reason, the Supreme Court of this Republic has transformed itself to a trial court. Whatever reasons that is motivating them, whether it is legalpreneurship or whether they want to shift the laws of this country because they have the right to interpret, that is up to them. But probably one of the things Parliament and myself, when I come back, will need to do is to limit the authority of the Supreme Court so that they can only deal with legal matters.
Member of Parliament for Marakwet East Bowen Kangogo, Moses Lesonet of Eldama Ravine, Gatundu North Ann Wanjiku Kibe, Chris Omulele of Luanda, and Embakasi East's Babu Owino survived their political scares after petitions challenging their victories were dismissed.
We are unable to find that even if there was violence in Soweto Social Hall, that fact alone could render the election a sham. An interesting question was raised regarding the badness standard of proof in the appeal before the Court of Appeal. While we found that that issue was unclear to us, we nonetheless quoted Raila 2013, Raila 2017 on what the badness standard of proof should be in election matters, and we found that from the appeal in the Court of Appeal, we were clear that the first respondent discharged his burden before that court, and we were unable to find what issue arose from there.
We welcome this decision very much, and as you may note, all the grounds that were agitated by the petitioner against Honorable Babu Owino have all been dismissed.
This case has indeed, to some extent, it has affected my work at Embakasi's constituency because I was working with one leg inside and the other leg outside.
It was huge reprieve for Lamu Senator Anwar Loitiptip of Jubilee Party as well, after the highest court in the land set aside a Court of Appeal ruling which had nullified his election, thus handing him a political lifeline.
Wananchi wa Lamu wote wakuje pamoja, tudumishe amani. Masuala ya siasa ilipita na wakati.
Wajir West Member of Parliament Mohamed Kolosho now joins his Embakasi South and Ugenya counterparts as they go back to the electorate to seek fresh mandate in subsequent by-elections. Duncan Hemba, KTN.